Hi, this is Jackson from Prefer Builders. Enjoy my channel.
In this project, we purchased the home in its original condition, as shown in the picture, as the challenge was to make it more attractive and functional, all while staying within the limited budget we had for the project. The property is located north of LEOMINSTER, Massachusetts, close to commercial areas and major highway access points. Let me share a bit about what we did here to reach our targets. We began by removing all the finishes to inspect what is behind the drywall. During this process, we identified areas that need structural reinforcement in the framing. Ensure the home was properly prepared for the new finishes and installations, including plumbing, electric, and heating system. The next step was to install new insulation and drywall, already giving the house a different look. Special attention was given to the bathrooms, where we installed subway tiles on the walls and elegant mosaic tiles on the floor of upper bathrooms. We complete installation of new plumbing and electric areas. Plus, we install brand new stainless steel appliances, bringing a modern touch and a cozy home. For the rest of the house, we choose vinyl flooring. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below your thoughts on this transformation. And please, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and share it with your friends who wants to see transformations like this and the others we have here on the channel. Thank you so much, my friends, and see you in the next video.